Recover hacked Facebook account without email, password or phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if your Facebook account has been hacked and the hacker basically changed everything and now the email is not there, the password is not there, and the phone number is also not there. So how do you gain access to your account? So let me just try to open up Facebook first of all. You most likely will have, so let me just try to log out of this current account by the way. So when I just log out of one of these current accounts from here, when I try to log in, it will ask me for my password. But since the password has actually been changed, right? Because the password has been changed, so let me just try to log out here. But since the password has been changed and you try to log into another account here, you can just try to tap on forgot password. Now here it will ask you to find the account using your mobile number here. So if you find the account using your mobile number, that's perfectly fine. Or you can also choose to search by email address. One thing you have to understand here is that how can Facebook verify if you are an owner of their account? They can verify if you are the owner of the account if you have access to either the phone number, either the email address, or either you know the password. And if you don't have either of these three, how can Facebook give you access to that account? You can't. Otherwise you can just try to hack and just try to reset someone's account and they might tell you that this is not your account because you don't have the access to those verification things that you might have entered previously. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.